Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's vlog guys ay sasama po tayo sa tour going to Putrajaya. So as this moment na we are now in the bus 2. And we are waiting for departure at 8:45 a.m. in the morning. So ngayon ay ginawa nila sa labas ay nagche-checking ng may Jetera. Kami nauna kami kaya muna na rin kami dito. So mamaya babalik po kami. Dahil wala pa pong tao dito ngayon sa bus 2. So itutur ko muna kayo dito. Ganda ng mga upuan. Ayan guys, ganda ng mga upuan nila. Wala pa pong tao kasi nandun pa po sila sa labas. Ayan guys. Guys, may isa po dito. Ayan. Hi, te. Mag-hi ka po sa vlog ko. Hi, thank you. Wala pa pong mga tao dito sa kanilang muna. So, bala niyo guys. Actually guys, kasama ko yung kapatid ko. Kaso, nasa bus 1 siya. Siya pa yung nagbubuk. At saka dito pa kami nilagay sa bus 2. Ay, nako. First time ito na nagsama kami. Magkaiba pa ng bus. Pero okay lang kasi magkikita-kita din kami din mamaya. Ayan sila guys, nagkagulo-gulo. Nagkahanapan ng mga kasama. Actually guys, mga ano lang din yan. Puro mga Pinay. Yan, ganito lang po dito. Para lang malipay. Kung na-eye off, night tour. Okay. Pero ang magulang, wala pa na ako nakitaan. Asa na siya. Yan ako na diri sa bus. Ang mga sexy ba nila ko eh? So ayun na guys, kasi agyatan na po. Ayan guys, puno-puno na kami. Ayan. Maya-maya aalis na po eh. So ngayon guys ay alis na kami. So see you later after 45 minutes. So ngayon guys ay alis na kami. Time check is what time? Huh? 9:15 in the morning. So we need to pray by its own self for the safety of our travel. So maya guys, pabalikan ko kayo. Magpapahinga lang ako. This is 45 minutes I think.
And yeah, today you double mask cannot go. Hello, yan ah. Hello, good morning everybody. Benar mo sound kita. Alam mo na. Okay, so long with you all. Thank you, see you again. Okay, today the Billion Tour and Travel first tour after the lockdown. This tour just for trial only. We want to know how far is true the tour and travel. Is it open or not? Is it really can work or not? Because we always call
oh my god, kumbaga 50-50 po pala ito.
And then we call the police, they say different, you know. A few days ago, Putrajaya, somebody said, oh, Putrajaya cannot go tour. Hey, really, yeah. And then call the Motek, the tourism center, can, no problem. We call the police, they don't know anything. We don't know how to police.
My God, what do you do?
Police report, police letter, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. This government, Kacangkote government, so we don't go there. So that's why we have to prove we can travel. We can, yeah. So Putrajaya to work just for fun, one person only, 10 ringgit, just for bus only. Okay? Okay, dear travelers, our first destination is Bangkok. You can go down here, take the photo, the view, the bridge.
Which bridge?
Take a 15 minutes, take photos here. But keep a distance, please. Everybody wear mask. The time you can take photo, you can remove the mask. But most of the time, you have to wear mask. And also keep distance, please. Huh? Okay? Thank you.
Ganda.
Okay, come.
So, bababa po kami ngayon para mag-picture. Hi!
Hi, po.
Come, I carry you. So, pupunta po kami dyan sa bridge na yan. Ang ganda-ganda niya, di ba? Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda po ng kita nyo yan sa likod. Ang ganda niya. So, layo, nakakatakot naman. Hi guys. Come. Sana yung sister ko? Dami pong tao. Medyo nakakatakot yung bridge na yan. So, ayan po siya makikita. We are now in Putrajaya. What do you call this? Park? Pasok ata kami. We're going inside?
Yeah. Okay, 11:30 is same place here. Bus cannot park here.
Okay.
11:30 on. The food all.
Yeah. 11:30 ah.
Guys, andito tayo yung sa Putrajaya Park. Ayan, Putrajaya nakalagay sa likod. Putrajaya. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Circle Park nila. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Parang mosque. Yung sa likod, nakikita nyo. Yan. Yan guys, maganda din dito yung sa kapila. Pero sobrang init. Yun lang, sobrang init. Maganda yung... Init guys! Pero maganda yung place. Sobrang init. Yung kasama ko dun sa baba. Pero yung ate ko hindi ko nakita kasi nasa basuhan sila. Hindi ko alam kung asa na ni siya. Uy! Ay, ginoo ko kainit. Oh, ano nagdala? Wow, that is kalas. Kulit kalas. Doon. So karon guys, nangaon me. Hi te. Hi sa akong vlog.
Hi.
Ngaon may pansit. Sa paganina. Pork, tapos biko. Nami diri sa atbang sa unsa mi diri ko? Sa court. High Court. High Court? Putrajaya. Oh, Putrajaya High Court. We are now here, the front of the court. Taga Balangunan. Nabutog Balangunan. Okay na una-unaan. Guys, may nagtitiktok dito at saka sa akin may nag-aawa. Now, tapos na kami sa second destination namin, which is Putrajaya. So, punta na kami ngayon sa sa aming waiting area kung saan kami sasakay na ulit ng bus. So, medyo malayo. Tsaka sobrang init. Sobrang init mo talaga. Ay, Diyos ko. Buti na lang may jacket yung kasama ko. Kami doon. Nagagibag letter guys. Guys, malapit na kami. Ayan na. As you can see, sakit na kami sa aming bus. Okay. So yun guys, we are going back to KL because it's raining. So yun guys, after a minute, see you there in KL. I just take a picture like this. Okay. Yun guys, agad na dyan. Guys, we stop over in matawag yung traffic light. So ngayon ay papauwi na kami. And para magpapahinga na. See you later guys. Okay.
Okay, so one small announcement. Okay, one of our group member, our traveler, his father in the Philippines hospital, COVID-19, I don't know, but he very cannot breathe something, he need to oxygen. So she don't have money much to pay the oxygen. She just now she messaged me, asked our traveler small amount, even not doing it, doing it for 1%. He just donation for them.
Okay guys, tapos na
So
ulan.
father, no enough money to pay for the father.
So now guys, we are going back to KL. See you
For the
later.
oxygen, oxygen.
So guys, we are here on the we are back already in KL. So
See you again.
thank you for watching.
Who wants to book?
Don't
Hululangan,
forget to like and
food trip.
subscribe to my channel.
This coming Sunday.